Hi everyone, fishing the canal today. As the last time we come down here last week, caught some silver bream, not junior bronze bream, but actual silver bream, getting on 1.5 pounds, and let's see what we can do this time. Just fishing maggots. Put some smelly ground bait in, and with some krill powder. Smells like krill. Actually, it smells more like tuna. I'm not fishing that far out, just in front of me there in the middle. And we've just started. The last time I was there I caught 2 and lost 3, so it potentially would have been 5 fish. I'll keep that out today, whether a good thing or bad. It's like Uncle Dave has caught one. Not huge, but look at that.
Yeah, that's alright, lovely colour.
They are, aren't they? That's it, we'll use the landing net. Yeah, that is a skimmer bream.
Skimmer bream.
Yeah.
Now I've got to find
It's like a bronze, a juvenile one.
The only thing I didn't bring today was my cloth.
Yeah, I've got one.
I can't find me scored. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Trevor.
That's it. Pop it straight back.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Oh no. Here, take that off of there.
Yeah.
Keep net. We'll get some pictures and things when we fill it up. It'd be funny if it's the only one of the day, but
Don't be like that.
I'm sure we'll catch. Seems to have gone a bit dull at the moment with the fish.
A bit quiet.
Yeah, a bit quiet, but we believe they've got breakfast time, dinner time, tea time, and they're definitely there. Just trying to catch some. There's Uncle David. Give everyone a wave. We've got next week's dinners there, look.
He's hanging round, he said, I'm here, I'm here.
No, we don't eat those, you just leave them alone.
Well, not today anyway.
Just put a bit of sweet corn on.
Yeah. Yeah, should have got some worms.
Well, yeah, I could have gone and dug some up.
No, that's it. Well, we could have bought some from the shop.
No, they're not cheap.
11 quid, aren't they?
Yeah, I'd rather dig them up. Or just buy lobworms.
You want a few more, Dave?
Yeah. Yes, please. Get some cashew nuts.
Excuse hands.
That's alright.
Or hand.
That's Uncle David. Today we're at Glorious Simpson on the Grand Union Canal. This should be further downstream from when I caught the pike last time, or a couple of sessions ago.
Next week we'll go to Cosgrove.
Cosgrove on the canal?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that.
Should have gone today, but never mind.
One bream, just a couple or whatever. Last time I was here, I think I told you earlier, I caught 2, lost 3. Uncle David didn't catch anything, and today he's caught the fish at the moment. It's actually a nice spot. It's about chin deep. It's kind of always in the middle, chin deep.
It's into
Still
number
use the
2.
plummet. Second one. Whoa.
Yeah. Get them out your lip.
Yeah. That's it. I pull the line, and that's it. Give me that. I'll put that in the keep net. Yeah. You use that.
Uncle David into number 2.
That's it. Just wipe your hands with the rag. A nice fish. Well done. Yeah, 2 to a pound. That's us for today. Let's have a look, see what we've caught.
Yeah, have a look, see what we've caught.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. No jaws, of course, but
No jaws?
yeah, nothing that big. Oh, they reckon there's a great white in Cornwall.
Oh, really?
Yeah, confirmation of it as well.
Right.
Here, we've caught some skimmer bream and a small perch that decided to chase my my maggot as I was winding it in.
Yeah, I'll take a photo of that.
Oh, I wouldn't know so much. I got it all on video though.
Yeah. Take a photo of that.
There you go, Uncle David's bream, and he caught a pope.
Right, hold on there.
Don't see those too often. Hey, there, look, wants to get back. Come here. There you go.
Right.
It's another one. And here's the Pope.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
There you are.
Yeah, better wash
Not
your hands
bad.
off.
Yeah. But I can get you a picture from the video.
Oh, of course you can.
That's it's actually been an enjoyable session.
Have you switched that off then?
No.
Oh, it's still on.
Yeah, I can cut it out. So till next time, see you all again.
Yeah.